The development of Po Lam, Hang Hau, Shan Quan O and Tiu Keng Lang had been based on MTR station as the center of settlement. Each MTR station along Shan Quan O line is surrounded by giant estates and shopping malls. There are bridges connecting pedestrians from MTR station to different shopping malls and residential development. Elevated walkways has become a local characteristic of Shan Quan O, and the street level is usually occupied by vehicles. However, there is an article published recently, namely, having been lived in Shan Quan O for years, you could even survive in North Korea. It sterilized the living style in Shan Quan O. It is said that our walking experience and choices of living are limited by the established footbridge network and the chain stores. Activities and behaviors are under surveillance by security guards and janitors in shopping malls. The author thinks such kind of invisible control are exerted in the community, like North Korea. So how do the users think about this living style?
將個廣場去 popcorn 啊，有時候去坑口連理街嗰啲咯。
連理街就通去邊度啊？
南豐或者係厚德商場。
喺蔚藍灣畔去東港城。
東港城仲有咧？
或者就係南豐廣場去連理街，或者厚德街、厚德邨。都 OK 中意。
OK 中意嘅，
因為夏天就可以唔使咁曬，冬天就可以暖啲，係啦，唔使咁凍，同埋最緊要係冇咁多廢氣。
我會一半一半咯。係因為一方面佢係即係方便嘅係佢係即係落雨啊，即係有啲空氣即係天氣唔好嘅時候，佢就即係我梗係可以特登上去天橋，咁就唔使有日曬雨淋嘅情況啦。咁但係佢另一方面就係佢好多嘢都係佢本身即係一啲嘅商場配套，即係佢可能係全部都係大嘅名牌店啊，一啲嘅連鎖快餐啊嗰啲，咁令到我哋嘅選擇好唔夠廣闊啦，即係唔夠，即係可能一啲嘅老鋪或者一啲茶餐廳其實可能根本就進駐唔到嘅，又或者係進駐到嘅都係連鎖嘅茶餐廳咯。另一方面就係我會覺得嘅係佢逼咗我要咁樣行咯，即係我冇得可以快，即係另外一啲快捷，以外又要上樓梯，跟住之後過天橋先可以到另一個商場，但係可能我兜遠咗路嘅，如果我俾直接咁樣穿過地下咁樣。
好少揾嘢食咯，有啲地鋪有啲食肆咪會係啊，或者有啲地方係一定要經過地下先去到嘅，咪先會用。
經過地下，咁有冇咩例子啊？
即係你去將嗰個運動場，你都一定要落街㗎啦。
仲有咧，除咗運動場之外咧，
返教會咯。
做運動啦，你唔會喺天橋度跑㗎嘛，係啊，同埋嗰個商場咁你即係佢空氣又唔係流通㗎嘛，咁所以即係佢係用冷氣系統咁樣，所以我梗係如果做運動嘅話就自然就天然會好啲啦。
係，你覺得嗰個環境係點嘅咧？
其實如果我要即係可能村去村之間，其實好唔方便㗎。即係因為你其實可能兜咗大路先去到，因為好多時候商場底下嗰啲多數都係巴士站啊，又或者係其他一啲唔係即係一啲嘅車路咯，即係令到你唔可以穿過啊，或者點樣？
你覺得將軍澳入面嘅巴士站嘅使用率高唔高嘅咧？
我覺得如果係坑口嚟講就唔高嘅，將軍澳都尚可咯。
我都會揀將軍澳。
點解嘅？
因為都感覺會街鋪嘅地鋪冇咁多嘅時候，咁個街會乾淨啲。
個街會乾淨啲，咁即係你都會中意啲鋪頭啊嗰啲食肆全部喺晒商場入面嘅。
多數咯。
我會選擇大埔咯，如果有啲。
點解嘅？
一嚟我頭先講嗰啲即係連鎖嘅關係啦，亦都係一啲嘅即係如果係商場嘅話，其實90%嘅，因為佢哋為咗賺得更多嘅租金，咁其實佢會租晒俾嗰啲連鎖快餐嘅。但係其他 舊區啊係會有啲老鋪啊，即係可能士多啊嗰啲，我哋都仲可以即係有一啲可以揀嘅選擇，唔係被逼佢去一定要食其他嗰啲連鎖快餐。
咁你覺得喺譬如行喺條街度，大埔同將軍澳嘅分別，你覺得個感覺有咩唔同啊？
我會覺得冇咁逼嘅。如果我住大埔，因為大埔咧雖然係都係啲樓都高嘅，但係咧佢哋相對係疏啲嘅。而將軍澳區咧係好似好密咁樣咧，逼晒咁，全部都好高咁，但係又係屏風咁樣，連空氣令到即係有啲唔清新咯，又唔夠空